Hey wordies. So today's topic is what are the commonest mistakes that newcomer investors make. So, without wasting a moment, let's start today's discussions. The first and the most horrific mistake investors make at the very onset is that they don't decide any clear objective or plans. If you don't know where you are going, you'll end up in the wrong place. Be crystal clear about your objectives and the rest will follow. The longer you postpone getting your objectives baked into a financial plan, the harder it will become to meet those objectives. Point to be noted, do invest sufficient time in gathering knowledge about the market. The second important mistake investors make is that they trade too much, too often. Repeated trading and modification in investments usually lead to lower returns and higher transaction costs. Yes, buying and selling investments may be fun, but if you want to benefit from long-term investments, patience is the key. The third mistake investors make is they chase short-term returns beyond limits. Short-term higher returns are always full of risks. A high-yielding asset is very tempting proposition, but past returns and/or current high yields are no assurance of higher returns in future. It is important to focus on the whole picture and not disregard the risks you carry on your investments. And lastly, the most important mistake investors make is they are too opportunistic in investing. They keep on timing the market. But, my dear wordies, markets do not move linearly and are by nature volatile. Whilst there are indications of various kinds that reflect the market trend at a given point of time, this doesn't mean one can accurately determine when to exit or enter the market. The belief that one can catch the top and bottom is a myth. So the take-home message from today's discussions is invest in knowledge and patience and the rest will follow. That's for today. Oh yes, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe our channel. Thanks in anticipation.